So, trade recap today. Very simple. SMT between the DXY and the Euro. So, for this week has been very bearish for the dollar, inversely very bullish for the Euro. Coming in today, which is Thursday, because usually after quite a quick move to the upside, you are always going to get price come all the way down and start to fill gaps or retrace. Yeah, especially when I seen this consolidated Asia range, I was like, right, there's a good chance we're going to be long in this bitch if we take out Asia lows. Now, it lined up nicely because we took out Asia highs on the DXY and we didn't take out Asia lows. So there's your SMT. Obviously, DXY was the leading one, which is good. As sometimes if it's EU leading, not all the time, but sometimes if it's EU leading, it can be a smart money trap, basically. It can be a little trap. So, yeah, I think I ended this trade about 7, to be honest. We'll find out right here. TP was quite simply up at Asia highs. Stop loss was at least 1% on this, so I think stop loss is about here. And we hit TP pretty quick. Yeah, it was off this 5-minute gap here. This was strong. So, oh my god, I was gonna say the 5-minute candle there showing strong displacement. So yeah, there's a 5-minute displacement, tap in, reject, and then I entered. On the DXY, I'll show you the wick rejection on it because it's fucking easier. Which is this. Like, I was not expecting price to come retrace all the way back up here to come all the way down. Not at all. So, yeah, that, the wick rejection was quite fucking, quite simple. I think it was even this, maybe. Well, that's the low that it didn't take out. TP at Asia high, so it came pretty quick. Boom, hit. Don't know why they hate on me. That's really it. I've not got too much to say. I mean, I can assume that my bias for Friday is that we're gonna retrace back into the range. Monday, so in a bullish week as well. Monday and Tuesday is the low of the week. We expand up, and then I feel like now, last day being tomorrow, Friday, is where we come back into the range. So I feel like we're going to be bearish. Oh, no, don't need that anymore. So yeah, I feel like we're going to be bearish. Maybe come down a little bit. Try fill some imbalances. We don't really have any major. That's EU, so maybe DXY. We've already retraced a little bit. We've closed below here. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's more. This is looking like a sweep, and then we just come back up Friday. So I'll be looking for. I'm not the biggest fan of trading on Fridays, but because it is a Friday, I will trade accordingly. But what I do like is that the weekly, the daily/weekly has played out, as in Monday, Tuesday, low of the week. Monday and Tuesday, low of the week. Wednesday and Thursday make the high. And then Friday it comes back into the range. So I will be looking for that sell move if we get it. If we don't, that's fine. But if we do, I will be looking for it. I don't think, see, it's very wicky here, so I think it could be an Asia high sweep, or we could wake up in the morning and prices just dumped. Not dumped, but just chopped down, basically. Which, in another world, I'd be curious to see like if we were just to end itself. See what happens, but I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't do it. Anyway, call that a day.